Now I have some very sad news for you. At about 11:45 Saturday night, 5 South Tahoe High School students were in a very serious accident. They were proceeding on Pioneer Trail when they hit some black ice. The car went out of control and hit a tree. There is no evidence of alcohol or other substances involved. It was black ice. Mark Russell was treated and released. Jesse Thompson is at Barton Memorial Hospital in serious condition with chest injuries. The other 3 students, Sandy Haynes, Rory Herbachek, and Casey Wells, were killed instantly. Student body officials and administrators are meeting to talk about arrangements. When complete, they will be announced on VTV. Psychologists will be on campus today to help us deal with this loss. Anyone needing assistance may contact Ms. Thurman. There will also be a table set up by the free speech podium so students may send messages to the families. We would like to express our deepest sympathies and condolences to the families of those who are lost. And now we'd like to have a brief period of silence in memory of these students.